Hi guys, so in front of you can see I have 5 blind boxes from InABoxStore.com. So InABox sells blind box for a lot of different series and characters. This one is from Justice League. So that means is from the 12 famous characters, it can have any 5 of them, including the rare one, which is Batman. If you want to check more details, go on to www.inaboxstore.com and buy one for yourself. There would be a discount coupon here from people who are watching from this channel and want to buy them. So let's not waste time and open, and let's see what we got. Let's open this first. It is a Batman, and it comes with the Batman logo. I think it's an attachment with it. Wow, how cool it is. Let me keep it here. It also have a thank you card, says thanks for your purchase of blind box, and a discount coupon, which I'll not show you. Let's open this. Our Joker. Oh. It's a Flash. And it comes with its attachment too, which I think so will be attached here. Let me keep this on the side and place this here. Now. Let's open this. Oh. It's a Superman. How cool are they? Two more to go. Which one? Let's go for this one. It is a Joker. I don't know. I'm crazy for this one. Just look at this. Just look at the quality. And it has its own mini attachment saying Joker. It has 3 things inside. I'll open up and set it up later. It's a little shaky because I have not added the attachment yet. And finally, it's Harley Quinn. Again with its attachments like this, which I'll keep it here. You can put this together, and here it goes. So that was our unboxing of 5 blind box from Justice League series. Hope you like it. Go to our website to purchase more, and if you have any questions, comment down below, share it with your friends. Thank you.